Right, so we're in the workshop and I am standing next to what we're kind of calling the sleeper.
Yes.
All builds in the workshop are commissioned. This is the only car that's not been commissioned because we decided to do something pretty special, didn't we, Marek?
So, as per normal, I'm the reason Steve's got grey hair, and he's the reason that I've got grey hair. However, this is unbelievable. So, we're building a twin-turbo, narrow-bodied 911 with an exhaust that is all of an inch long. So, we hope that that will spit flames. But I'll let Steve talk you through some of the really cool stuff he's done. I would suggest starting with that, because I love that.
Here we have two Garrett turbos powering a 3.2 litre engine.
Spicy cams.
Spicy high lift, very high lift cams. They're open for about 3 weeks. Custom made manifolds, blow off valves.
And we made it fit into a narrow bodied 911.
Yeah, we did a bit of
massage. Some trick. Yeah, we did have to massage it and give it a little bit of...
It's got a G50 gearbox on the back.
Fully rebuilt.
Yeah, fully rebuilt.
So ratio should be okay.
Yep.
We're looking forward to getting it in the car. So watch this space and we'll show you a bit more about the car. But we wanted to introduce you to Steve because he's our longest running member of staff at the moment.
I am.
And he's much appreciated, much as we fight 24/7. But anyway, that's the twin turbo engine. That's Steve. And over here, beavering away is little Steve. So he's just joined the company. That's Thomas. And he's going through an engine, his first 912 engine. So we're pleased that we've got not quite so young, and me being very old. So some more really cool stuff on the Rint Twin Turbo, a narrow body car. We're having wheels made, I believe, which are going to be split rim.
Yep.
But they're going to be tiny and thin, so it's going to be a handful. However, we have done the interior. How cool is that? So houndstooth and a nice tan hide, really old school. We're not going to have back seats, we're going to have luggage back there, but we need some forced air, some ram air. So Marek will talk you through what we're doing for that.
Yes, so what we have done is we have designed the rear quarter windows with some ram air ducts, as you can see in here, and then that will ram the air into the custom-made air box, which we have in a model at the moment in here. And under that box, intercooler will be placed, so a lot of nice cold air.
Cooling is obviously going to be a major problem. So
Absolutely.
We've got a massive engine going into a very small hole, which creates problem with airflow. So with this system, we're ramming the air in there. So we've got Steve and his very clever scavenge pump, and we've also got air rams. So we're expecting to keep on top of temperatures, which is massively important to an air-cooled 911. And in there, we've got Camille putting up a headlining. So we're going to have a cream headlining in there. It's going to be completely old school. The only way you're going to know this thing is anything different is when you see the flames out of the exhaust. We love flames. So while it may seem that I'm sat here doing nothing, I'm not. I'm actually encouraging Camille over there. So Camille, when do we hope to test this car?
Hopefully before Christmas. We're gonna push really hard. Maybe.
And we'll try and get it ready before Christmas. But it's got some super cool stuff. We'll upgrade lights. It's the theme of this car is all green and black, so everything's going to be green and black. Centre fuel cap. That's a pretty cool thing to have. But it will be a really beautiful, narrow-bodied en Fuchs that we're going to make. Massive amount of power. You'll be steering with your right foot. And this, hopefully, will be ready for sale sometime around Christmas. We haven't got a customer for this yet. We're hoping that when we build it and we test it and we take it to brands, that the phone will melt. And if the phone doesn't melt, hopefully somebody will just pick up the phone and give us a call and say they'd want to buy it. But this epic Rint build, twin turbo, what a car.